This will change your life. Hi, this is Jinay Shah, and today the thing on which I am going to talk about is very important thing, because it is the inception, it is the starting point to know your mind, and it is the link to control your mind or to direct your mind. So this is the first step or the starting point to get rid of depression, tension, anxiety, stress. And if you know this, then you can direct your mind, and this is very important thing. So what is thought? This is the first step. If you know what is thought, and let me tell you, I'm not talking about negative thought or positive thought, right? Yes, I will talk about it, but in the next video and not in this video. In this video, let's talk about what is thought. This is very important. If you know this, then you can change your life. Literally, you can change your life. It's like that. So what is thought? We are thinking thoughts 24 hours a day, or let me say not 24 hours, but when we are conscious, and also in the sleep when we are dreaming. And when we were born, after a certain age we started to think, and until we die we were thinking, right? And let me tell you that this is the difference from human beings and animals, because human beings have the power to think, to create, but animals don't have that power or logic. So what are thoughts? I'm going to make your life simple, not complicated, and there are many definitions you will find in the psychology books, cognitive psychology. So I'm not going to go into any definition right now, going a clear cut simple view on what is thought, because complexity is the enemy of execution. And if you make things complex, then it is just going to hurt you and nothing else. So what is thought again? So thoughts are basically the internal communication to you and yourself. And think about it. If you stop speaking to yourself internally, then there are no thoughts. Try this out. Stop speaking internally. There will be no words. And to make it more clear for you, right now I'm going to play a sound, and listen to the sound and observe your thoughts. So close your eyes right now, and now listen to this background music. Yes, you can open your eyes. What were your thoughts? This is a cat, right? So this, you spoke to yourself internally, yes or no? And these are thoughts, internal talkings to yourself. You are speaking to yourself internally. This is thought. And trust me, if you can direct your internal speaking to yourself, you can change your life. And I'm going to make another video of positive and negative thoughts, and also on thinking, that what is thinking, so that we can go more deeper to understand our mind, and we can cure our all the problems related to mind. Also, I'm going to teach you about the subconscious mind, the principles of subconscious mind. right? So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please share this video to the person who is needful and who is not opening up with you or with anybody else, but he or she may be suffering. Please share this video to them. And I'm going to make this kind of videos again, because this is my line of interest. What is thinking, how you can change your thinking, how you can direct your thinking, how you can train your subconscious mind. I'm going to upload this kind of videos on this channel. So subscribe this channel, because I am going to give you that specified knowledge that maybe nobody will give you. So thank you so much, and please like this video. I will see you in the next video.